Hi all you Excel and Power BI fans out there. I've got some exciting news. I've just released my book, AI Powered Accounting with Excel and Power BI for accounting and finance professionals. This book is for you. Cut out the hype. It'll help you navigate this exciting world with AI. The Excel and AI hype is enormous. And of course, one of the challenges we have is to actually understand what is real or what is just fluff. And that's why I wrote the book. The book is there to really help you understand how to navigate this very exciting technology, but at the same time be grounded in the guardrails. There are two fundamental things that you will learn in reading this book and using the content within it. The first is understanding the difference between probabilistic and deterministic. This is a fundamental concept of why AI is both powerful and dangerous at the same time. And of course, we want to be using it as a deterministic system, but it's not built that way. AI is built as a probabilistic engine. It's a large language model. It's a very sophisticated guessing machine, but we can train it. We can get it to do deterministic work if we know how. And the how is really the second concept, which is the system thinking. So we need to approach AI with a system mindset. And so I introduce in the book the hack framework and the 6 pillars. These are two frameworks and concepts that will help you navigate this world of AI. The hack framework, hygiene, automation, capability, and knowledge are important ingredients for you to understand how do you get the best out of AI. You can't put AI on top of shaky foundations, so hygiene is really important. Then you layer automation, then you're building your own capability in terms of how you understand and use these tools, and then you updating and maintaining your knowledge both for yourself and for your organization and for your teams. The other key framework and system is the 6 pillars of the AI-powered accountant. Now, despite what everyone says, Excel is not going away. And so Excel fluency is a big part of the 6 pillars. In fact, it's the first. The second is process and data, and you will see that in the book. And that's important, particularly when you're thinking about Power BI and process. And again, it's come back to the system. Where's the data coming from? What data am I using and where's it going? The next is the AI concepts is also important to understand what does it mean to have hallucinations? What are tokens? All of these new concepts. We also need to understand technologies, the fourth, which is really the key concepts around actually understanding the technology we're using today, because AI is going to be embedded in all sorts of technologies, and we need to understand how does it work? Where's the governance? What do we do? Who do we trust? And how do we use it? So these 4 elements are the really important technical aspects, but then we need to understand growth mindset. We need to understand and feel what it's going to be like, how we're going to be challenged, the skills that we're going to have. We don't have it yet. So Professor Carol Dweck has this great concept of the art of yet. We don't yet have these skills, but if we approach it with a growth mindset rather than fixed, we can get there. And then the human skills. We need to remember that AI is going to force us to become more human, to have better relationships, deeper relationships, influencing, communication. So if I was going to look at this book and pick out some key elements and key chapters, the first one would definitely be the growth mindset, which is chapter 7. So growth mindset talks about understanding our perspective. What is holding us back? And really, how do we audit ourselves and our learning? Remember, failure is an opportunity to learn. And the other key element of this book, which I'd also look at, is chapter 20 on skills. Skills or markdown files, these are part of the core technology ingredients that would help you automate processes. So understanding how skill files are created, how to use them, how to maintain them is an important part. This book is very practical. It has 10 modules with actual live use cases. You will get all access to all of the modules, the contents, the data, and the solutions and the prompt libraries. I really hope that you enjoyed this book. Pick it up on Amazon And if not, and you want to have a live experience, we run the AR Powered Accountant program on Maven over 8 weeks. But a lot of that information is packaged in this book and available for you to use. I hope you enjoy it, and good luck out there. It's going to be a really wild ride for us in accounting and finance, and particularly with this new technology of AI. Thank you.